In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix recently deleted option not showing on Instagram. So if this sounds helpful to you, then keep watching this video till the end and let's get straight into the video. So the recently deleted option is shown on your activities tab. If you tap on the three lines on the top and tap on your activity, here on the bottom you'll see an option of recently deleted. Through this section you can view all of your deleted posts, your stories and reels. But if you don't see this option, there are a couple of fixes that you can try out. The first thing you can do is try to update your app of Instagram. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you update the app. Updating apps helps to bring in new features or missing features on Instagram or any other platform. The other thing you can do is try to clear the cache of Instagram. Tap and hold on the app of Instagram and tap on app info. If you're using an iOS, you can offload the app. You can head over to the settings and search for Instagram and offload it from there. Now on the bottom right, you can see an option of clear data. You can tap on that and tap on clear cache. Again, you can tap on clear data and clear all the data available. Caches are the unwanted data and files that are stored on your device. Removing these kind of files helps to solve these kind of minor issues. So after you do both of these steps, the recently deleted option should show up on Instagram. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.